Today, we're making pizza. But first, let's wash our hands nice and clean. First, I'm going to show you our ingredients: dough, mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce, olives, and peppers. Now we've rolled out our dough, and first, we're gently spreading the tomato sauce. Now we're gently sprinkling our cheese all over the pizza. Now we've added our toppings to the pizza, and now it's time to bake it!
What a beautiful pizza!
Our pizza is here. Enjoy your meal, everyone! Yes, today we made pizza for you. See you next time!